What car do they want to know about? Are you talking about the fastest car ever, fastest production car ever? Are you talking about the new Dodge Demon 170?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Well, I want to know about it as well because it seems a bit ridiculous at this point. It seems absolutely bonkers, and that's what's good about it. This is more like the Picasso. This is something we'll appreciate in 100. Somebody's going to collect this thing because it's so wonky and wild, and because it will be the last of a dying breed, arguably the last of a dead breed already, because they've straight up said this is it. That's a wrap. They're making 3,000 units for the U.S. and 300 units for Canada. It's going to be made over there in Brampton, believe it or not.
Uh-huh.
Somebody from Stellantis hit us up. It's over in Brampton you're building this thing? Let us go take a sniff, why don't you?
Mm-hmm.
Kneeling at the altar of horsepower is the growling 1,025 horsepower Dodge SRT Challenger Demon 170, a machine built by blood and iron in Ontario, Canada. God damn, Will, blood and
cool.
iron. What more you got to say to me?
I don't mind that.
The street legal drag strip special looks a lot like the previous Demon. Yeah, we're aware. Shout out Bueno Kitty, who says, by the way,
it's a zero. It's a zero. I can't deal with NFTs anymore. Oh man,
that was the easiest zero of your life.
Yeah, my interest rate is just
you
0.
didn't even consider it.
Yeah.
God damn, dude, I never saw you. I'm the one that's gonna get shanked today.
Yeah.
If this thing crossed tables after the way you responded, I go, Zero, shut up.
It's like, can I borrow that knife?
Shut up, Zero. I'm like, I didn't say it, Will. I didn't say NFT. I was like, I was in La La Land.
Yeah.
This is the fastest car.
I'm just so sick of it. Yeah.
Oh, did you want to go?
No. Continue. Continue.
It's the fastest car. It makes the Plaid look slow. That's ridiculous.
Uh-huh.
A gas-powered vehicle, a dinosaur drinking vehicle, 0 to 60 in 1.66 seconds. What? 1.66 seconds, quarter mile, just over 8 seconds.
That also beats the Rimac.
What?
Yeah.
What? You mean to say what? Good Lord, the thing's got a parachute from the factory. Because it has to, because it's too quick in a quarter mile. You got to slow it down at the end. And it looks like when the thing launches, the front end kind of gets a little squirrely, doesn't it? Look at this. Watch this. Here you go. Whoa. Damn, dude. From the factory. So ridiculous.
A mini parachute.
So ridiculous. Now, obviously, you guys have seen that they're going to do, yeah, I know the surface is prepped, and I get it. Like, there's other magic stuff going on. The tires are ridiculous for anything other than just burning in a straight line. Shout out BOK Twin. The Demon 170 rolls on Mickey Thompson ET Street R tires, size 245/55 R18 in front, and a gigantic 315 50R 17 out back. Look at the tires in the back when you look at the photo.
Yeah. They're chonky.
They were just like, all right, fine. We'll go electric. Fine. We'll have which we talked about. And we're like, we'll try to figure out a sound for it to make, and we're all about the future and everything else. And they're like, but first, before we go, let us remind you. And then they go and they do the most ridiculous version of this Demon thing that they've ever done. And they make so few of them, and they make it the most collectible. And I don't know. The unfortunate part about that is, are people going to drive it, or are they just going to put it in storage and walk by and smell it every so often? Which one's it going to be? Because
definitely collect.
There's
only 3,000, right?
You're going to collect. You're going to collect it.
Last one, and it looks really nice.
Yeah.
It's like not overly done. It's just really clean.
Yeah.
Not a lot of lines, but the shape is really nice.
Yeah. Fine. We'll go electric. Yeah, no problem. Electric Challenger. Yeah, we'll have a whole new name for it and everything. And it's going to look like a futuristic muscle car. It's going to be electric. It's going to be fast. It's going to be electric. But first.
The Demon.
But first.
SRT.
But first, we're a little thirsty.
For blood.
Yeah, you know what? We're gonna quit drinking. But first, we're a little thirsty.
I would love to see a Rimac and a Model S and this on a test strip.
You talking to your friends over at Car Wow? Is that who you're talking to?
Yeah. Can they do that, please, real quick?
You're saying, hey, Car Wow.
Hey, Car Wow. It's like I have a name.
Matt. You got to talk to Matt.
Yeah.
You talk to Matt. Say,
Our boys, Straight Pipes, are with him right now.
Oh, yeah?
Same with Doug DeMuro.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, they tweeted out like a
big
photo.
party?
Yeah.
You say, hey, Matt, this is Willie Doo, and I'm a little bit thirsty. He's like, what? He's like,
He punches me through the phone.
like, hey, this is who?
Who's thirsty?
Seriously, I couldn't tell what you even said.
Yeah.
I'm a little Are you making car noises right now? I'm a bit thirsty. That's like how, speaking of 1989 Batman, that's how Jack Nicholson played it. Yeah. There's a lot of like breathing stuff going on, which is creepy. The Joker does a lot of breathing. Even future Jokers is like here's the
Yeah, a lot of lip smack.
It's a lot of that, which I guess people find to be Joker-like and terrifying.
Or like con man stereotype.
Sure.
Yeah.
Have I got a deal for you?
Oh, God. Joker con man?
No, the con men these days just hack Linus Tech Tips channel and run Elon
Yeah,
live
they don't even
streams.
have to talk.
Come on, at least be entertaining with it. At least, yeah. At least, God, have some fun with it. A little bit thirsty.